Do you want to know the strategy to divide integers quickly? Are you tired of writing a lot of information to divide integers? Or sometimes there are situations in which you have to perform a division and you don't do it because you don't have a calculator by hand. Therefore, you decided just to take a decision without doing the division. So this is what we're going to do in this video about dividing integers and strategies to divide them and strategies to estimate your divisions, so you can see if after you perform the division is correct or not. Or sometimes you only need to perform the division, or you only need to estimate the division. Let's see how to work with this part. And as usual, I'm going to do it with an example. And my example is going to be, we're going to put as an example the number 8,344. And let's say that we're going to divide it by 4. Okay, this is a way that you can write a division. This is another way you can write a division. Or this is a way you can write the division. Okay, the three options are the three notations you can use when you divide numbers. However, I'm going to focus on this kitty one of here. Now, how to perform a division quickly, how to estimate it, and how to do it. First, I'm going to show you how to estimate it, so you will know if your division is correct at the end of the day. And the way to estimate it, it's like round this number in a way that you have a multiple of 4 times a power of 10. So it will be something quick. For example, this 8,344 could be rounded to 8,000. So 8,000 divided by 4 will be only 2,000, right? So you know that the answer of your division should be around 2,000. So let's see if the division is around 2,000. And what is the strategy that I'm proposing here? The strategy that I'm proposing here is for you to divide from left to right the numbers and take into account if the number is not divisible by the divisor, just complete it with the next number, or find it, the least number that you multiply, and complete it in the next number. Let me explain you how to do it. So for example, I'm going to divide by 4 this number, and 8 I can divide it by 4 because it's going to be 2, right? 8 divided by 4 is 2. And now I'm going to move to the next number. It's going to be 3, but 3 is not divisible by 4. I can say that 3 is 0 times in 4. 0 times 4 is 0, and we have 3 left. I'm going to put the 3 left here. Now this number becomes 34. So I'm going to divide 34 by 4. 34 by 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. And I have 2 left to reach to 34. And now I have 24. So 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6. So this division is just 2,086. This is how you can divide quickly the number, two numbers. Look at that. What I just did was taking my number from left to right and divide each digit or each place value by 4. And if the number is not divisible by 4, I just take the closest number, but the closest number should be less than to divide. This is what we're doing. Now let me show you another example. Remember that when you work on situations, what is very important is that you work on examples, a lot of examples. Let's see what happens if you have 9,373 divided 7. So I'm going to apply the same strategy. 9 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is going to be 1. And to reach 9, it's going to be 2. 2 left. Now 23. 23 divided by 7 is going to be 3. 3 times 7 is 21. And to reach 23, I just need 2. Now I got 27. 27 divided by 3 by 7 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 to reach 27 is just going to be 6. And finally, 63 divided by 7 is going to be 9. So the answer is 1,339. Okay, but let's see that. Oh, but I want to know, I want to estimate the division to see if it's correct. But if I round it, I would have 9,000 over 7, so it wouldn't be like a good strategy. But 9,373 is close to the number 9,100 over 7. And 9,100 over 7, or if you divide 91 by 7, you're going to get 13, right? So this is going to be 1,300. Look at that, the answer is around 1,300. You just need to remember the multiplication facts. You remember the multiplication facts and you do multiplications of the numbers that reach any number, a number less than 100, it will be easy for you to estimate the answer. So this is what you need to know, multiplication facts. It's good for your brain and it's good for you. Finally, I'm going to show you a last example of how to do it. Last example of how to do it. And my last example is going to be 5,433 divided by 3. I'm going to use my red marker to divide by 3. 1. Remember, start from left to right. 5 divided by 3 is going to be 1 and 2 left. 24 divided by 3, 8, 0 left. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. So look at that, I perform my division. That is going to be 1,811. But if you want to estimate, sometimes we don't need the answer, but we just need to think quickly and estimate. So you can use 5,433 could be around, let's think quickly, it should be around 5,400 over 3, and 54 divided by 3, if I'm not wrong, is 18, so 1,800. Look at that, the number is close to 1,800. And this is how it works. And this is how you can solve situations and divide numbers using integers. Doing it quickly, doing it faster, and how to estimate it. And that's it. See you in the next video. I hope that you enjoy it. Leave me your comments. Like the video if you like it. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. See you in the next Cambridge course.